Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. We've got a new project and repeat client alert going on here. We are going to be modifying this basement to make 2 bedrooms for this 6-person family, and also turning a space that we created several years ago into their amazing rec room, as well as creating a mudroom to die for. I can't wait to show you the progress and see what goes on. In the short term, we're renovating just this one room so that we can keep a bedroom for one of their children to stay sleeping in, which is why you can see there's active demolition work going on around me right now. And we are going to expedite getting this room complete so that they can use this room. Again, 6-person family. That's a lot of people that need a place to sleep. So this is the bedroom that we will be modifying. They'll be framing this wall in here. This door, I think, stays more or less where it is. That's what's going on here. Can't wait to show you the progress. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.